It's time for another mystery box. Yeah, another one. Okay, are you ready for this one? This is the Halloween mystery box. It's a little different than most of them. Because look, do not pick this up and throw it away. There's stuff inside. Using my True Control knife from the other mystery box just a few days ago. Cut that tape. And look what's inside. You get I repeat, 2 premium fine point blades. These fit in all the Explorer machines, all the Maker machines, the new ones, the old ones. You get 2 of these. And then you also get the 5 pen pack. You get the tip that is 0.4, 0.8, that is also glitter. And you get the 1 point and a 2 point and a 2 point. These are calligraphy. There's what they look like. These are awesome, especially the glitter. Okay, now let's move this to the side. And glitter paper! You guys, if you have not used Cricut glitter paper, they have the best glitter paper. You get copper. This stuff cuts awesomely on the Cricut. You get white. You get silver. You get black. And gold. These are also perfect for Christmas. You get 10 sheets of glitter cardstock. Glitter cardstock has been out of stock for so long, and now you get it in this mystery box. How exciting! I would buy it for this and the blades and those pens alone. You get permanent vinyl, 4 feet. You get 4 feet of removable vinyl. And black. And orange, you get removable vinyl, 4 feet. And you get 4 feet of orange permanent vinyl. And then you also get 4 feet of premium vinyl pearl metallic in permanent. 2 rolls of strong bond iron-on, everyday iron-on in black and neon orange. You get 2 feet of each of these, and then 4 feet of premium white removable vinyl. I love this. This is what I use on my car. All right, leave a comment below. Let me know if you like this box, if you got this box, if you got more than one of these boxes, because you got the glitter, cardstock. This stuff is amazing. And the blades and the pens. You never have too many blades. This box is an incredible price. Don't miss out. And comment. Let me know if you like this box or if you don't like this box. Do you want to see more paper in the boxes? More glitter in the boxes? Let me know what you want to see. Please use the link in the description below. I do get a small commission for that. And thank you, Cricut, for sending me out this box so I can show all my subscribers what's in the box. If you have Cricut Premium Access, you're going to get 20% off this box. And then you get another discount when you use my code CUTIE. You do have to get $50 in the cart in order to use my code CUTIE, but it takes off the shipping and you get a discount. So add just a few things to your cart to get that discount and free shipping. And I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.